Hey man, we got some heat coming up for the month of August. It seems like Nike and Jordan brand ain't slowing down at all. We got three, four bangers this month, bro. Four sneakers that everybody's eyeing, and I'm hearing that we could potentially be seeing some type of shock drop, or you know how they did it with the Eric Costin SB navy blue release for the Arizona 4s. We could see something similar like that for the undefeated 4s. We gotta talk about in today's video, but man, just look at what I got in my hands right here. It's crazy. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy, The Vintage. It's always greatly appreciated, man. Every time you guys pull up, come see what your boy, The Vintage, is talking about, man. I do truly appreciate it. And if you guys are new here, you're already rocking out with the vibes, man. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and run the likes up for your boy, The Vintage. And I also want to incorporate, man, we're just coming off a crazy month of sneakers in July alone. Like, just kind of looking back at it, we kind of had some low-key bangers all month. Of course, we did get a couple pushbacks, but we still got some exciting sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Rare Air Force, I'm on my Air 5s, which not a lot of people are talking about. Cannot wait to unbox some things for you guys. Might just do a crazy review. But yeah, man, July was low-key stacked, and we're going into this crazy month of August. Like, bruh, like what's going on? All right, guys, like I said, bro, we could potentially be seeing something, bro, something in the works from Nike sneakers app regarding the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. Now that's a sneaker that we seen the price already up like past $1,000, but you know, in the past like $15,000, $40,000, some crazy amounts for that sneaker. But now the prices are starting to digress. They're starting to drop all the way down. I think my pair is like at like $600-$700, which is a good sign. When you start seeing that resale drop, that means that the stock is probably gonna, you know, catch up and kind of drop that value of the sneaker. So hopefully there is that rumored 100-some thousand pairs, because I want a pair, bro, and I don't even care if they sit. Like, can we forget the whole sitting stuff? I want to come to a point in, you know, sneaker YouTube or just sneakers in general, we ain't talking about something that's sitting. It's not nothing wrong with shoes sitting. That's a good thing. If I'm saying something sitting, you should be happy, so you can go to the store or hit online to get them if you do want them. But that's neither here nor there. We could see something, like I said, from the Nike sneakers app, and we don't even have them on the sneakers app, and I load it. All we hear is these rumors, and I did hear something about August the 28th potentially for the undefeated 4. So we might see like a shock drop and then a you know, real drop on the sneakers app, or just everything on the 28th. You know, it's just a couple different things floating around for the Air Jordan 4 undefeated on the Nike sneakers app. So make sure you guys keep your eyes open, keep your eyes peeled. When y'all see that video saying shock drop or exclusive access for the undefeated 4s coming soon, make sure you tap in to the notification bell right now. We also do have the Air Jordan 10 steals. And again, bro, if you guys want to see a full review on feet, please drop some steal comments down below. I don't mind doing on feet. I just haven't been watching them recently, so I'm like, just chopped up about the sneaker, and I get to the shoe and I get to them. Sometimes, like, I'll be sitting on the shoe for probably, like, depending on the sneaker, I'll probably be sitting on it for about 3-4 months before I even pull them out, you know what I'm saying, get a fit for them. That's just kind of how I've been doing with buying shoes over the last 10, 12 years. But if you guys want to see a review on feet, I don't mind. These are a personal pair of the steals. Of course, we got the toe cap in there, all that good jazz, super clean. I had to have them. So I want to see a, you know, review on feet, drop some steal comments down below, and we will do that. But man, these are releasing August the 2nd. I think the retail tag like $210 or $215. I could not pass up on these. Always wanted the steals. And the bad thing about me and 10s is I hoop in all of them, but now I don't hoop, bro. Your boy is retired from playing basketball, and now I can actually get some, you know, some wears out of these. I probably won't do nothing crazy in terms of fits, but I can still wear them without tearing the sneakers up playing basketball. And of course, you guys know the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards got pushed from July to August, so we will also be having these joints drop this month as well. Like, just to think we're getting a Shattered Backboard release again is just, you know, kind of, I can't believe it, bro. I'm happy that they did bring them back out. I'm not complaining about the paint. I'm not complaining about nothing, but I have seen the complaints. Like, I've seen people disappointed in the leather quality. I've seen people disappointed in the color of the orange on the sneaker. But me, bro, I got the Shattered Backboards on my hand. And just like the undefeated 4s, it's not the joints that dropped back in the day. And I'm still super excited that we getting anything close to the OG. So, bro, I am excited about the Shattered Backboards. And again, if you want to see a review on feet over these guys right here, please let me know down below in the comment section. I love them. The box is dope. Hold on, let me grab the box, bro. They just went crazy with the box right here. Just everything about the sneaker, I love it. They just perfected these joints in my opinion. Maybe I'm just excited that, you know, I didn't have to pay $1,000+ for the shattered backboard Air Jordan 1. And then last but not least, of course, I just recently talked about them, and it is the Air Jordan 12 French Blue guys. And again, just like the Flu Game 12s I released back in 2016, I believe the year was, the pair that's coming out this year is a little bit darker. So 2016 was a little bit lighter in terms of color and red for the Flu Games. Same with the French Blues. The pair releasing next month will have a little bit darker hit of that navy blue on the sneaker, or the French blue, whatever you do want to call it. So a couple of differences. Still, you get the same picture. Still a dope shoe, and you cannot go wrong with, you know, saying, rocking a pair of French Blues. And again, bro, I want to, you know, all those Dodgers fans, some Lakers fans with that you know, what I forget the name of that uniform, like MLPS. I'm not too sure. Might be butchering it, but you guys know it goes perfect with one of the Lakers uniform sets that they do have. And Kobe was actually wearing these joints on court, which is also pretty dope in my opinion. So we have a loaded month in sneakers, bro, from the beginning of the year in January, lead all the way to August. We still have a full 5 months left in the year, if I'm doing my math right. It's just so much more heat dropping. Again, we ain't seen Taxi 12s yet. We ain't seen Legend Blue, or we ain't seen Gamma Blues yet. And it's a couple of ones and twos sprinkled around. And yo, it's just a lot of heat coming from Jordan Brand and Nike. I'm appreciating it, man. I'm gonna soak it all in, bro, because I think I'm going to finally, you know, retire, bro. Like, I think I'm gonna be done after this year. I'm not even gonna hold y'all and be trying to like build up some anticipation. I really might just be done with Snkrs YouTube. You know, it comes to a point where, you know, you just grow out of things, and this year just kind of puts a cherry on top in terms of releases, content, and all that good stuff. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video. If you guys are new here, again, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to see any reviews on feeds over the sneakers, we do have French Blues, shattered backboards, or the steel 10s. Let me know in the comment section, man. But again, sub up, hit the notification bell, run them likes up for your boy, The Vintage. And all that's being said, man, your boy's gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.